This over here is your spacious living and dining area, is your kitchen space. You can see how spacious your master bedroom is. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Sun City Origins Powai by GHP and Skyline Group located in Powai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project, right in front of the actual land parcel, where you can see the actual tower and the construction is in full swing. Also, you can see the neighborhood of the project. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 8 acres in which 6.5 acres is already delivered with 5 towers, remaining 1.5 acre will have 1 tower with 3 wings of ground plus 4 level of podium plus 2 level of amenities plus 22 residential floors having 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences. Also Jodi options are available. And now, talking about the amenities, this project has 35 plus amenities. It will have a swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, banquet hall, mini theatre, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located bang on JVLR near Shell Petrol Pump Powai, from where Gandhinagar Junction is only at a distance of 5 minutes walk. Upcoming metro is only at a distance of 5 minutes walk. Eastern Express Highway is at a distance of 10 minutes drive. Western Express Highway is at a distance of 25 minutes drive. And you have International Airport at a distance of 30 minutes drive from the project. And now we are entering the spacious 2 BHK of the residential project Sun City Origins Powai. As we enter, you can see this over here is a spacious alley area where easily 2 people can enter at the same time, and to the right of your entrance is your kitchen space that you can see come with 2 granite platforms and a stainless steel sink. Also, you have a dryer space available attached to your kitchen area. You can see how spacious your dryer space is, and this over here is the space of the kitchen that you can see is very spacious. You also have space provided to place your refrigerator. And moving forward, let me tell you, this 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 637 square feet. This over here is your spacious living and dining area. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat. You can see your living is very spacious to place a sofa, center tables, and attached to your living you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony from where you can enjoy your views with your friends and families. And over here we have your dining corner where you can easily place a 4 people dining table and enjoy meals with your friends and family. Moving forward, this over here is your alley area that has entrance to your bedrooms and common washroom. First, on this side, we have your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Opposite to your common washroom, you have a master bedroom, but before that, let me show you your common bedroom. As we enter, you have a foyer space that gives your bedroom privacy, and this over here is the space of your common bedroom. You can place your king size bed. You will also be getting walkable space even after placing your furniture, and in this corner, you have your wardrobe space. You can see the wardrobe has great depth and great storage. Also, you will be getting full French windows in this bedroom. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on Housey.com. Now, let's move to the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. As we enter, you can see how spacious your master bedroom is. You can easily place your king size bed along with your side tables. You have walkable space even after placing the furniture. You can also customize your wardrobe along with lofts. If you want, you can customize a study table or a makeup corner. And again, you will be getting full French windows in your master bedroom as well. And in this corner, we have your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Sun City Origins, Powai. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Sun City Origins, Powai by GHP and Skyline Group located in Powai.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.